Alrighty, well, you guys seen this this truck one time on the channel, but yeah, it was a while ago. But he bought it, and we deemed this rim job because she's dirty, but she gets the job done. This is a really good running 6.9. It's an original, so it's an 83. What was that? Probably real knocky. Yeah, it's probably gonna be super knocky. First start, just after winter. You can see there's still snow on the ground. It's been sitting for probably a good six months. Ooh, almost. Easy. Dude, this thing's so great. It's such a good truck. $500.
Faithful as fuck.
$500 and it has working AC. I mean, yeah. Faithful. Faithful motherfucker.